Hi, this is Blake with Stride, and I'm here with one of our team members, Veronica, to talk to you a little bit about posture. One of the things I find when I'm trying to teach posture exercises to people is they overdo it. So if I zone in a little bit on Veronica's shoulders here, what I often want is this bottom tip of her shoulder blade to come down and back towards her spine. So it's a very subtle movement of that shoulder blade, basically rotating down and back. Often when I get people to do these exercises, I see this extra compensation. So they come down and back, but then they also are arching like crazy in their lower mid back. What that often leads to is tension between the shoulder blades and then up into the neck, which eventually can lead into pain. So what I'm going to show you is an exercise that you can do to help deal with this so that you're not doing too much when it comes to strengthening your postural muscles. So Veronica's going to be laying down on her stomach with her arms down at her side. And from this position, you can really see the outlines of the shoulder blades. What I'm really trying to accomplish is this area of her back being relaxed, while the muscles that control the shoulder blades are just pulling that down and back. And then there's a hold at the top. So once Veronica gets really proficient at this, what I'm going to do is get her to pull those down and back on both sides, and then lift both of her hands up off the bed and keep that hold at the top. So when I'm talking about this exercise, is that usually we're doing about 3 sets of 10 with a second or two hold at the top. If she starts to feel really good with that, what she can do is use something like soup cans or very small weights in her hands to give a little bit more resistance. Thank you for listening today, and hopefully you learned a little bit more about how to get your posture a little bit better.